turmeric water every day. 13 amazing benefits why you should be drinking turmeric water every day. See what happens to your body. Antioxidant capacities, anti-inflammatory effects, and medicinal properties. Does it get any better? Yes, it does with turmeric water. Turmeric water is made by mixing turmeric in warm water. Turmeric is a world-famous spice that comes from the turmeric plant. It has also been used and is still in use as a dye in traditional medicine. The turmeric plant belongs to the ginger family and is native to Southeast Asia. It is largely grown in India, Cambodia, China, and Japan. Turmeric gives curry its yellow color, and it is used to add flavor and color to butter, mustards, cheese, stew and sauces, and many other foods. Its use is not limited to only food, but also for cosmetic purposes like a turmeric face mask. The main component of turmeric is curcumin. In fact, it gives turmeric its yellow color and is responsible for many of turmeric's health benefits. From boosting skincare to protecting the body from bacteria and viruses, turmeric water can improve your health and energy levels. It is a great daily routine you can start to implement. Turmeric also contains manganese, potassium, vitamins E and C, essential oils, calcium, iron, zinc, and so on. Among the other beneficial health effects, drinking turmeric water can remove excess fluids from your body and aid in removal of toxins. In this video, we'll be looking at the health benefits of turmeric, why you should start drinking turmeric water, and how to prepare turmeric water or turmeric tea. Turmeric water every day. 13 amazing benefits why you should be drinking turmeric water every day. See what happens to your body. Number 1. Drinking turmeric water can strengthen your immune system. Curcumin, the primary active ingredient in turmeric, has immune-strengthening properties and can reverse the damage caused by free radicals. Curcumin also has antioxidant and antimicrobial properties, which makes it good for your immune system. It can regulate immune cell functioning and prevent the risk of developing cancer. Turmeric also contains a substance known as lipopolysaccharide, which has antimicrobial properties. Number 2. Drinking turmeric water has anti-inflammatory properties. In the past, turmeric was mixed with milk to relieve joint pain and prevent infections and colds. It can also ameliorate arthritis and inflammation. In one study, in 206 adults with rheumatoid arthritis, about 63% managed their symptoms using non-vitamin supplements, of which turmeric was the most popular product. Turmeric spice can help heal open wounds, treat burns, and boosting immunity. Drinking turmeric water can help treat cold and catarrh, sinusitis, and so on. You can also wash your nose with salty, warm turmeric water to remove excess mucus. Number 3. Drinking turmeric water has anti-cancer effects. Many studies have shown and established the anti-cancer action of curcumin. It can prevent many types of cancer such as prostate, brain, breast, lung, and rectum cancers. Curcumin is a potent antioxidant with anti-inflammatory properties, which can reduce the risk of cell damage or mutations and cancerous cell growth. Curcumin has also been linked to reduced tumor growth and metastasis, the spread of cancer cells to other parts of the body. Studies have shown that curcumin can decrease the formation of new blood vessels around cancer cells and cause apoptosis, the self-induced killing of cancer cells. Number 4. Drinking turmeric water improves digestion. Turmeric contains compounds that stimulate the production of bile by the gallbladder. It may also relieve bloating and gas. One study showed that drinking turmeric water 4 times daily for a week improves indigestion. Drinking turmeric water would also boost metabolism and help in weight loss. Curcumin can also treat many digestive issues. It can decrease pain associated with irritable bowel syndrome and improve health significantly. So, start your day with a glass of turmeric water to stimulate your digestive system for the rest of the day. If you are enjoying this video, then please like, comment, share, and subscribe to Our Daily Health. Number 5. Drinking turmeric water helps you lose weight. Drinking turmeric water can prevent the accumulation of fat in the body, an important process in weight loss. Elevated stress can increase stress hormones, cortisol levels, thereby increasing hunger and appetite levels. This could lead to weight gain. Drinking turmeric water or tea can help regulate your stress levels and therefore reduce weight gain. Mix turmeric with milk and honey to lose extra weight as fast as possible. You can drink this mixture every night for the best possible effects. Number 6. Drinking turmeric water helps manage diabetes. In the past, turmeric was used as a traditional medicine against diabetes. Curcumin contains anti-diabetic properties and can reduce the risk of developing diabetes and manage the symptoms of diabetes. Drinking turmeric water regularly can reduce excess blood sugar levels. Number 7. Drinking turmeric water helps treat lung diseases. The anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties of curcumin aid in the reduction of symptoms of chronic or acute lung diseases. One study showed that curcumin is effective against lung cancer, asthma, pulmonary and cystic fibrosis, and chronic obstructive pulmonary disease, COPD. More research still needs to be carried out to confirm this evidence. Number 8. Drinking turmeric water is good for the heart. Curcumin has been shown to contain many heart health properties, antioxidant and anti-inflammatory, that are beneficial. One study in 121 patients undergoing coronary artery bypass grafting found that taking 4 grams of curcumin 3 days before and 5 days after surgery reduced the risk of myocardial infarction or heart attack by 17%. Turmeric can significantly lower cholesterol levels and prevent blood clotting and buildup of plaques in the arteries, thereby preventing arterial sclerosis. One study showed that taking 500 milligrams of curcumin daily reduced total cholesterol levels by 11% and boosted high-density lipoprotein, good cholesterol, by 29% in 7 days. Curcumin can improve endothelial function and help regulate blood pressure levels. Turmeric is a natural blood purifier that is effective against arterial hypertension. Number 9. Drinking turmeric water can delay aging. Curcumin is popular as an anti-aging supplement. Because of its antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties, curcumin can reduce oxidation and inflammation associated with aging and age-related diseases like cancer, neurodegenerative diseases, and heart diseases. Suffice to say, it gives a long life. Number 10. Drinking turmeric water boosts brain health. Curcumin has been linked to a reduction in the risk of developing neurodegenerative diseases such as Alzheimer's. Curcumin has rich antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties that reduce oxidative stress and inflammation that causes cellular damage. It also prevents the formation of amyloid plaques. It may halt the protein changes associated with aging that can cause neurodegeneration. Curcumin can also boost brain-derived neurotrophic factor, BDNF, a protein that can improve memory and mood levels. Low levels of this protein have been linked to depression and Alzheimer's disease. A study showed that curcumin fights depression in the same way that patented medications do. You can drink turmeric water or mix turmeric with lemon juice and honey to get the best effects. Number 11. Drinking turmeric water can improve skin health. Because of its rich antioxidant properties, turmeric can heal oxidative stress and free radical damage that can cause wrinkling, acne, skin sagging, and aging. You can make turmeric into a paste or as a face mask. Drinking turmeric water can also boost skin health and make your skin look fresh and youthful. Number 12. Drinking turmeric water heals gum disease. Research shows that turmeric can be used as a mouthwash against gingivitis. Drinking turmeric water can also reduce the levels of harmful bacteria in the mouth of people with gingivitis. Number 13. Drinking turmeric water is good for your liver health. Turmeric contains compounds that can boost the production of liver enzymes that aid detoxification. Numerous research studies have actually revealed that curcumin might be protective against liver damage and liver cells damaged from bile-associated chemicals. Drinking turmeric water or turmeric tea daily can boost your health and prevent the risk of many chronic diseases such as cancer, cardiovascular diseases, liver and lung conditions, and neurodegenerative diseases. It has anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties that can delay aging, boost skin health, and oral care. Frequently asked questions. How much turmeric can you take per day? It depends on its use. You can use 1 to 3 grams of grated turmeric root daily or 400 to 600 milligrams of pure turmeric powder 3 times every day. So, how can you make turmeric water or tea? Number 1. Boil a cup of water in a pan or pot. 2. In a clean cup, put a teaspoon of turmeric and add the warm water. Number 3. You can add half a teaspoon of lemon juice and stir till well blended. Number 4. You can also add honey for some additional taste and stir well. Number 5. Drink it while lukewarm. Other additives that can be used to improve the taste and absorption of turmeric tea are: Number 1. Milk, whole milk, coconut milk, almond milk, and cream. Number 2. Coconut oil or unclarified butter. Number 3. Black pepper contains piperine, which has been shown to boost the absorption of curcumin by 2,000%. Number 4. Lime or ginger, which can enhance antioxidant and antimicrobial properties. Are there any side effects? Drinking turmeric water may exacerbate gallstone obstruction. Too much turmeric water consumption may also reduce the blood sugar levels too much in people with diabetes and may also prevent the absorption of iron in people suffering from iron deficiency. Make sure you consult with your doctor before you start using it for medicinal purposes. Have you ever tried drinking turmeric water in the morning? Comment your answer below. If you liked the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more health and wellness topics, please subscribe to Our Daily Health.